In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute notifications in Lark. If you're trying to focus, traveling, or just need a break from constant pings, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to silence Lark without uninstalling the app or missing anything important. You'll still have access to all your messages and updates inside the app. You just won't be interrupted by alerts. Start by opening the Lark app on your device. Once it's open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the area labeled My Lark or Profile. This is your personal hub where you can see your account details and access the core settings that control how the app behaves. Go ahead and tap that to open your profile section. Inside your profile, look for the gear icon, which represents Settings. Tapping the gear takes you into the place where you can fine-tune Lark to match how you want to work, from appearance and account options to what you hear and see when messages arrive. We're heading straight for notifications, so a quick scroll will get you there. Find the section labeled Notifications. This is where Lark manages alerts, sounds, banners, and other prompts that appear on your device. Once you're in, you'll see a main toggle that controls whether Lark can send you notifications. Turn this toggle off to mute notifications from Lark. As soon as it's disabled, Lark will stop sending you alerts, sounds, banners, and similar notifications. Your messages will continue to arrive silently in the background, and you can open the app at any time to catch up on everything you missed. This is a great option when you need complete quiet from the app, like during meetings or deep work sessions. And if you ever want notifications back, simply return to the same notifications area and switch the toggle on again. It's instant, and your alerts will resume as before. A helpful tip to keep in mind: turning off notifications inside Lark's own settings stops all alerts from the app itself. If you don't want a complete silence, but you do want peace from a specific busy chat, consider muting just that conversation. That way, you can keep notifications on for other teams or projects that still need your attention. That's all you need to mute notifications in Lark. It's fast, reversible, and helps you stay focused on what matters. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a little quiet.